Because we heard about priests, and they have to do with religion.
Okay. You're right about that. Look at the question. Read the question for us, Justin.
Which of the choices is not a reason that the Aztecs were able to spread their empire?
So we're looking for a reason that the Aztecs, a false reason. We're looking for an answer choice that is false right now. And Matt and Gio, you are correct. The answer is D. Justin, as we go through today's class, we're going to hear even more about priests, and we're going to be looking at the role they played in the social structure. But the question asks us about how they spread their empire. And the Aztec did not require other tribes to follow their religion. So D is false, so it is the correct answer. Last but not least, let's look at number 8. This is a review from 6th grade. I want to take a moment to tell you about your learning target for today and to give you a preview for what we're going to be doing. If you look here at our learning target, yesterday we talked about power between societies. We talked about how the Aztec were able to gain power over their enemies by conquering them in war and forcing them to pay tribute. And Stephanie told us that the Aztecs made the conquered tribes pay them in gold, in cotton, in corn. Today we're going to be looking at power within a society. So which Aztecs were the Aztecs who had power over others? Your learning target today is to describe the structure of the Aztec society and the role of each social class. And there are 3 questions we're going to be returning to. I'll give you a hint. You're going to have to answer all 3 of these questions before you leave today. So you want to be paying attention to these. The first question is, what is social structure? Our second question is, how does social structure create a balance of power or an imbalance of power? And the third question is, I'm going to ask you if we have a social structure today.